Namaskar and welcome to Diet and Kidney Academy, a complete online solution for Indian renal nutrition. This is Dr. Suniti Khandekar, an MBBS clinical nutritionist, MBA hospital administration, and today we are going to dive deep into this topic, which is right to kidney health for all. Recently, on 7th of April, we have all been aware about World Health Day and Health for All. But right to kidney health for all is something that is important in today's era. Let us dive deep into this topic. Let's begin. So, significance of kidney health in overall well-being of an individual. Why is it so? Is because kidneys play a vital role in filtering waste from the blood, regulating blood pressure and balancing electrolytes, making health, that is kidney health, crucial for overall health. Now, they work 24 by 7. That is the most important thing, and they are the organs we all must take utmost care of. Now, what are the common risk factors for kidney disease? The risk factors include diabetes, high blood pressure or hypertension, obesity, smoking, family history of kidney disease, and certain ethnic backgrounds. So, how can an individual protect their kidney health, and how can kidney disease be prevented? So, by maintaining a healthy lifestyle with regular exercise, balanced diet, limited alcohol consumption, avoiding tobacco, and staying hydrated is the key. While some risk factors like family history cannot be changed, adopting a healthy lifestyle can reduce the risk of developing kidney disease. Can kidney disease be prevented? Are kidney problems reversible? Yes, while some risk factors like family history cannot be changed, adopting a healthy lifestyle again can reduce the risk of developing kidney disease. Some kidney issues like acute kidney injury can be reversible with prompt treatment, while chronic kidney disease may require management to slow its progression and not reversed. How are the early signs seen in kidney disease, and how is kidney health diagnosed? Early signs of kidney disease include changes in urination patterns, swelling, especially over the feet to start with, then on the ankles, puffiness below the eyes, swelling over the face, fatigue, difficulty concentrating, and blood in urine. Through blood tests, urine tests, certain imaging tests like ultrasound and kidney biopsies. If other tests show the presence of chronic kidney disease, the chronic kidney disease is diagnosed. What is the importance of regular kidney health checkups? Regular checkups can detect kidney problems early when they are easier to treat and manage, potentially preventing further damage to our kidneys. Are there any medications that can harm the kidneys? Yes, certain medications including the NSAIDs, that is non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, which are taken over the counter for any kind of pain, say toothache or body ache, certain antibiotics and some blood pressure medications can prove to be harmful to the kidneys if not used properly. Remember that. So these are usually taken OTC, that is over the counter, without a proper medical prescription. So go to a doctor, go to a physician who will help you alleviate your pain by giving you proper medications. How does age affect kidney health? Can stress affect kidney health? Yes, aging can lead to a gradual decline in kidney function, so older adults should be vigilant about maintaining a healthy lifestyle to support kidney health. And chronic stress may contribute to high blood pressure and other conditions that can harm kidney functions. So stress management is essential for overall kidney health. Can kidney health be improved through exercise? What is the role of exercise? Are there any specific exercises that are recommended for individuals with kidney diseases? A regular exercise can help manage blood pressure, control blood sugar levels, and maintain a healthy weight, all of which can contribute to kidney health. How do we do that? Low impact exercises like walking, swimming, and cycling are generally safe for the individuals with kidney disease and provide numerous health benefits. If you want to go ahead with other exercises, kindly contact your physician or the nephrologist and work under an expert trainer. Don't do it yourself. How does smoking, obesity, diabetes, and hypertension impact kidney health? Obesity is linked to an increased risk of developing kidney disease and can exacerbate existing kidney problems. Diabetes can cause damage to the blood vessels in the kidneys, the small blood vessels. Microvasculature is what we call, leading to diabetic kidney disease or nephropathy. High blood pressure again can damage the blood vessels in the kidneys, leading to decreased kidney function over time. Smoking can damage blood vessels, including those in the kidneys, and is associated with an increased risk of kidney disease progression. Can genetics, sleep patterns, alcohol consumption influence kidney health? Yes. Certain genetic conditions can increase the risk of developing kidney disease, so individuals with a family history of kidney problems should be vigilant about monitoring their kidney health. Adequate sleep is essential for overall health, including kidney functions, as it allows the body to rest and repair itself. Excessive alcohol consumption can lead to dehydration and high blood pressure, both of which can harm kidney functions over time. Avoid drinking alcohol. It's per se of no use. Checklist. The checklist to check whether we are doing it right or wrong for our kidneys and for our kidney health. Now, balanced diet. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can support kidney health by providing essential nutrients and minimizing the risk of conditions like hypertension and diabetes, and obesity and diabesity, which can damage the kidneys. Limit sodium intake. Excessive sodium can increase blood pressure and strain the kidneys. Everyone should have access to education on reducing sodium intake and understanding food labels to make healthier choices. Manage blood sugar levels. Diabetes is the leading cause of kidney disease. Access to affordable healthcare and diabetes management resources is essential for preventing kidney functions and preventing kidney complications. Maintain healthy weight. Obesity puts additional strain on the kidneys and is a risk factor for kidney disease. Access to resources for weight management, including nutritional counseling and physical activity programs, is vital for everyone. The checklist continues. Regular exercise. Physical activity promotes overall health and can help prevent conditions like hypertension, diabetes. It can alleviate stress, which are harmful to the kidneys. Everyone should have access to safe spaces and resources for exercise. Quit smoking. Smoking damages blood vessels and can worsen kidney functions. Access to smoking cessation programs and support should be available to all individuals to protect kidney health. Limit alcohol consumption. Excessive alcohol consumption can harm the kidneys and increase the risk of kidney disease. Access to education and support for responsible alcohol consumption is essential. I would say just stop. Monitor blood pressure. Hypertension is a leading cause of kidney disease. Access to regular blood pressure screenings and affordable medications for blood pressure management is crucial for kidney health. The checklist continues. Manage stress. Chronic stress can contribute to hypertension and other conditions harmful to the kidneys. Access to mental health resources and stress management techniques can support overall health, including kidney health. Regular health checkups. Early detection and treatment of kidney disease can prevent complications and improve outcomes. Everyone should have access to affordable health care and regular checkups, including kidney function tests. Awareness and education. Public awareness campaigns and educational programs can empower individuals to take control of their kidney health. Access to accurate information and resources is essential for prevention and early intervention. Support for chronic kidney disease patients. For those already living with CKD, access to specialized health care, including nephrologists, dietitians, and support groups, is crucial for managing the condition and improving quality of life of patients with chronic kidney disease. Affordable medications. Access to affordable medications for managing conditions like hypertension and diabetes is essential for preventing kidney complications and overall health. Access to clean water. Adequate hydration is essential or crucial for kidney health. Access to clean and safe drinking water should be a fundamental right for everyone to maintain optimal kidney functions. Advocacy for policies supporting kidney health. Governments and healthcare organizations should prioritize and are prioritizing policies that promote kidney health, including access to healthcare, clean water, nutritious food, and education, ensuring that everyone has the right to optimal kidney health. So, by advocating for these 15 rights to kidney health, we can work towards a future where everyone has the opportunity to live a healthy life with well-functioning kidneys. If you are a nutritionist, dietitian, or an Indian doctor, and you are interested in learning Indian renal nutrition, join our courses, Renal Nutrition Basics, Renal Nutrition Advanced, and Indian Renal Nutrition Complete. It's a completely online training program where you have global access on the desktop and Android app, 6 months of unlimited access, online self-generated certificate. The content is more than 1,000 minutes of learning, both recorded as well as live. And there are free bonus contents also, which are not charged. Live sessions by eminent faculty. Visit dietandkidney.com